glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story on the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Destination unknown, but this much is clear. A reservation has been made in your name for an extended stay. Wave goodbye to the real world. You just entered the Twilight Zone. What happened here to dim the lights of Hollywood's brightest showplace is about to move forward once again. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, but this time, it's opening for you. Next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
I'm cool. Hey, we've almost made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I have hundreds of great videos on this channel. I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.